Apple iPhone calendar tutorial. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to discuss Apple iPhone's calendar tutorial, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Apple offers their native calendar. Right when you open it up, you'll see the year. You'll see the month of these years: January, February, March till December. The one highlighted in red is the current month, with the date being the current month, which is highlighted in red obviously again. So this is basically our today's date. Right now, Apple Map is also used for creating events. So you can tap the plus button here at the top right corner, enter the event title, date and time, and you can select all this information. You can also edit your existing events, and you can add calendars to use more and maximize it to its full potential. This way you should be able to basically use Apple iPhone calendar. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.